You can just change the size where you want it. Now if you play, you will hear the audio as well. Here you saw how audio works. You can add the transition for audio. If you go to the options here, you can see you can adjust volume, duplicate, delete. If you want the volume to be lower, click on volume and then reduce it. Now you see the volume is lower than previous. Similarly, you can choose different of them. If you want to add charts, you can click on any of these. This will allow you to add charts. Here you can see the percentage level. You see how this works? Similar with the line weight. This is how it works. You can make it as however you want. You can add a percentage level as well. So right now I won't be needing any charts, so let's close this. Similarly, if you want any of the tables, here you can see lots of different options. It might be for projects where you want to fill up with tables. This is how you can use the tables. You can edit the table sizes. Here you can add a row after, move the row up and down, size columns equally, size row to content. Right now I won't be using tables, so let's go back and go to the frames. If you use frames, here you can see you can use the frames to add and import any of the other images. If you upload an image right now here and add it to the frame size, it will go to this size. Let's just try this. Here I have added the frame already. Let me add this image. Let's go and try adjusting. Now you see this is how frame works. Again, going to the elements. Now similar with the grids, you can work with the grids as you work with the frames. These are the options for elements. So now let's say I will be removing this for now. So let's say if you want any of the graphics to be used, here you can see all. These are the recently used ones. Now if you go back to home, the thing about Canva is it just doesn't delete the files that you have been doing. It simply saves all of them, and it will so that it will be easier for you to use in future.